Welcome to the Vital PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure call queues in Vital PBX. To begin, click on PBX. Click on the Call Center tab, then click on Queues from the dropdown. Fill in the general settings. Type in a queue number in the code field. Type in a short description in the description field. The field we'll fill out next is the Members setting. Members are one of the essential components of a queue. Members are basically agents. Click on Add to create a new member. From here, you can select the extension you'll set as the agent. You can add a penalty to an agent, which will lower their preference of being called when there are callers waiting in the queue. The higher the penalty number, the lower the priority of that agent will be. Next, you can choose the member type of either dynamic or static. Dynamic agents can log in and out of queues, while static agents will always be in the queue permanently. The final member setting is Allow Diversions. If this is turned on, your agents will be able to divert their phones. For example, they could turn on call forwarding, so instead of just ringing to their extensions, the calls will be forwarded to whichever destination they have on their phone. You can add as many members as you would like, as Vital PBX does not place any limitations on the number of agents you can add. You could also use the red trash can icon to remove members. The final destination setting is where you can select where calls go when the call queue times out. Click on Save when you're finished, then click on the Reload icon on the top right corner. Congratulations! You have successfully set up call queues in Vital PBX. Check back for more helpful videos on Vital PBX, as well as other helpful guides.